If your update now button is not working while transferring data to a new iPhone, you are not alone. This is a very common issue during setup on iOS 17 and iOS 26. It usually happens when you are using Quick Start, the iPhone to iPhone transfer, and it says something like your iPhone needs to be updated to continue, but tapping update now does nothing or freezes. So don't worry. Here is what you can do. Sometimes the update now button takes up to 2 to 5 minutes to respond. The old iPhone is still preparing data, or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is slow. So wait patiently before retrying. Tapping repeatedly can freeze the setup screen. After that, restart both iPhones. Press volume up plus side button. Then you will get to see slide to power off option available on your screen. Then wait for 30 seconds. Then turn them back on and retry the transfer using quick start again. This clears temporary setup bugs without deleting any data. Restarting both devices often fixes the frozen transfer or updated screens. Then, disable VPN or network filters. If you use a VPN or network filter like AdGuard or DNS filters, it might block Apple's update servers. Disable them on both iPhones before starting the transfer. Now, after done so, all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General, then scroll till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset All Settings option available there, and then retry the Quick Start. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.